guys, today's video is going to be my everyday makeup routine. The last video that I did with this everyday makeup routine was like 3 years ago, and it has changed. It has been more natural, more glamour from what I did 3 years ago. Right now I'm outside because they're cleaning my room or something, so I needed to leave. And also, like, wait, let me turn my camera around. Like, can we appreciate this sunset? Like, wow, I'm in love with this sunset. Like, wow. Anywho, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, which is the buttons down there below somewhere. And also don't forget to comment, because I guess I'm coming back to YouTube and making more videos, and I will be uploading videos every Friday, so stay tuned to that. Let's start with my everyday makeup routine. Why am I like this? Like, excuse me, why am I like this? I need answers, people. I need answers. I need help.